My name is Wali Mohammed, GMM 15. Today my presentation topic is anti-anginal drugs. Coronary circulation is the circulation of blood in the blood vessels that supply the heart muscles. The left coronary arteries include circumflex arteries supply blood to the left atrium side and back of the left ventricle. Left atrium descending artery supplies the front and bottom of the left ventricle and the front of the septum. The right coronary artery supplies right atrium, right ventricle, bottom portion of both ventricles and back of septum. Left artery coming off the circumflex coronary artery. Angina. Angina is type of chest pain caused by reduced blood flow to the heart. Angina is a symptom of coronary artery disease. Angina, also called angina pectoris, is often described as sequencing pressure, heaviness, tiredness, or pain in chest. Symptoms. Angina symptoms include chest pain, and discomfort, possibly described as a pressure, sequencing, burning, or fullness. Patient may also have pain in his arms, necks, jaw, shoulder, or back. Other symptoms that patient may have with angina include dizziness, fatigue, nausea, shortness of breath, sweating. There are three types of angina. Stable angina is usually triggered by physical activity when patient climb stairs, exercise, or walk. Patient heart demand more blood but narrowed arteries slow down blood flow. Unstable angina. If fatty deposit in blood vessel rupture or blood clot form, it can quickly block or reduce flow through a narrow artery. This can suddenly and severely decrease full blood flow to patient heart muscle. Unstable angina can also be caused by blood clot that block or partially block patient heart's blood vessels. Number 3. Parasympathetic angina. This type of angina is caused by sudden spasms in coronary artery which temporarily narrow the artery. This narrowing reduces blood flow to patient heart, causing sharp chest pain. Parasympathetic angina most often occur at rest, typically overnight. The following risk factors increase risk of coronary artery disease and angina: tobacco use, diabetes, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol or triglyceride level, family history of heart disease, older age, men older than 45 and women older than 55 have a greater risk than do younger adults, lack of exercise, obesity, stress, atherosclerosis refer to the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on artery walls, which can restrict blood flow. Classes of drugs used in treatment of angina and myocardial infarction. Vasodilators dilate arteries and veins. Calcium channel blockers, nitrodilators, cardioinhibitory drugs reduce heart rate and contractility. Beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, annualized blocker of late sodium current. Antithrombotic drugs prevent thrombus formation. Anticoagulant, antiplatelet drugs. Vasodilators, primary cardiovascular action of nitrodilators, systemic vasculator. Vasodilation, decrease venous pressure, decrease arterial pressure, small effect. Cardiac, reduce preload and efferload, decrease wall stress, decrease oxygen demand. Coronary, prevents reverse vasospasm, Vasodilation, improve substandal perfusion, increase oxygen delivery. Beta blockers, atenolol, bisoprolol, metoprolol. The most common side effects of beta blockers are fatigue, dizziness. Beta blockers slow down your heart rate, poor circulation, your heart beat more slowly when you take beta blockers. Gastrointestinal symptoms. These include upset stomach, nausea and diarrhea, or constipation, sexual dysfunction, weight gain. Calcium channel blockers, verapamil, Virelan, Dietitian, Philodipine, MDiphane, and Nifedipine. Side effects of calcium channel blockers may include constipation, dizziness, fast heartbeat, fatigue, flushing, headache, nausea, rash. Renalization. The mechanism of action is resolution effect has not been determined. Renalization at a therapeutic level can inhibit cardiac-led sodium current. However, the relationship of the inhibition to angina symptom is uncertain. The variable blood level attained after given dose of renalization give a wide range of effect. Antithrombotic drugs. Thrombotic are platelet cells in blood clot formation. The blood clot formation is a conjugation caused and very complex step-by-step process that occur in body when blood vessel is injured. For example, erythrocytes, 13 special protein known as conjugation plasma factor are active after other. Con- Contheroperosis is defined as a formation of blood clot inside blood vessel of the heart. This blood clot may be then restrict blood flow within the heart, leading to heart tissue damage or myocardial infarction, also known as heart attack. Anticoagulants: heparin, nitrophin, calcium, rifampicin, warfarin. Antiplatelet drugs: clopidogrel, acetyl acid. Platelets: plasma conjugation factors. Vitamin K helps to regulate the process of blood conjugation by assisting in the conservation for conjugation. Plasma factor is called vitamin K depending factor into their mature forms. Name: internal doses, parental doses, half-life hours. Number 1, isoberide. Internal dose 10 mg to 20 mg. Half-life 5.1. Number 2, nitroglycerin. Internal dose 0.3 to 0.4 to 0.6 mg. Half-life 1.5 to 7.5 minutes. Number 3, pentosidrol. Internal dose 80 to 100 mg. Half-life 4 to 5. Number 4, sodium nitrophosphide. Parental doses 25 to 50 mg. Half-life force 2 minutes. Beta blockers. Atenolol. Internal dose 20 to 50. Half-life 6 to 9. Bisoprolol. Internal dose 5 to 10 mg. Half-life 10 to 12 minutes. Number 7, metoprolol. Internal dose 5 mg. Parental dose 1 mg per milliliter. Half-life 3 to 7 minutes. Calcium channel blockers, verapamil 40 to 80 to 120 mg. Parental dose 2.5 mg per milliliter. Half-life 3.34 minutes. Number 9, Philodiophine. The internal dose 2.5 to 5, half-life 25 minutes. Number number 12, Nefodofine. Internal dose 10 to 20 mg, half-life 7. Bilokovov Lake sodium current. Generic name ranolazine, brand name Ranexa. 500 milligram and 100 milligram internal dose. Half-life 7 hours. Heparin sodium. Parental dose 1000 to 1250. Half-life 60 to 90 minutes. Nadrofurin calcium. Parental dose 3800 to 9500 units. Half-life 3 to 7 minutes. Veriferin. Internal dose 2 to 10 milligram. Half-life 20 to 60 minutes. Clopidogrel. Internal dose 75 milligram to 300 milligram. Half-life 0.5 to 1. Diphenhydramine. Internal dose 25 to 50. Half-life 10. Thrombo. Internal dose 50 to 70 to 100 milligram. Half-life 20 to 60 minutes. Azimax. Parental dose 2 milligram. Half-life 10 to 30 minutes. Thank you very much.